I wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the entire JCI community, especially the remarkable individuals from JCI Zamboanga. Your mentorship, brotherhood, and unwavering support have been the pillars upon which my leadership journey has flourished. From the halls of JCI, I have emerged to lead as the local chief executive of the third largest city in our beloved country. This evening, I stand here as a testament to the transformative power of JCI's values and principles. To our distinguished guests, visitors, and friends who have traveled from all corners of our nation to be present here, I express my deepest appreciation. Your presence signifies more than attendance. It symbolizes a shared commitment.
Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
The greatest achievement of a leader is to make others leaders. And I'm proud that in the country, we are the only leadership development organization in the country. And I'm hoping that the new members and others will continue developing young leaders. Earlier in the FOZYL awards, I told the awardees that there's a Chinese proverb that says, if you want to achieve growth in a year, you plant trees. You plant grains. If you want to achieve growth in 10 years, you plant trees. But if you want to achieve growth in 100 years, you grow people. That's why I really love this organization so much, because we continue to develop young leaders year in, year out. A lot of people, a lot of great leaders we were able to produce. This JCI organization was able to produce. So I'm hoping that we will continue to develop young leaders and grow people in the next 100 years.
This gentle, swaying movement with the wind is a symbol of humility. Their bodies are hard and firm, and yet they sway gently in the breeze, while their trunks stay rooted firmly in the ground below. Cheers to JCI Zamboanga. Cheers to 𝐓𝐮𝐫𝐧𝐶. Let us lead to serve this 2024. Mabuhay ang JCI Philippines.
Let us unite and steadfastly strive towards a future of prosperity, progress, and sustainable development for our beloved Zamboanga. In conclusion, I would like to quote a Bible passage from 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and impurity. Ladies and gentlemen, to God be the glory.
I hereby call this 76th turnover and induction ceremony to order.
I, John M. Dalipe, President of JCI Zamboanga Inc. for the year 2024, do hereby accept this gavel, symbol of authority, with the JCI tenets expressed in the JCI values as my guide, and with the blessings of the Almighty. It is my covenant to wield this gavel unflinchingly but righteously, with courage but with humility, and finally, with determination but with compassion and understanding. So be it. I wholeheartedly convey my sincerest thanks to each one of you for entrusting me with this responsibility. Let us walk on this journey hand in hand, for in unity alone we shall achieve greatness. May we continue the greatness of our predecessors, impact and transform more lives for the betterment of our society, and leave behind our own brand and legacy in JCI history. Maraming salamat po. Muchísimas gracias.